Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this Frankenstein skull makeup look. I wanted this to look like a sort of stapled Frankenstein look, but with a skull. And instead of Frankenstein stitches, I decided to go with staples. To start this look, I use red to kind of sketch out where I want the open kind of areas where it's coming apart. For this look, I wanted it to look like it was coming apart at the seams and being stapled back together. And you want to be sure that these lines are not too thick or else the staples won't fit. Here with red mixed with black, I'm going around the outside of these areas to kind of make it look like there's a shadow, making it look like your skin's actually sort of lying on top. Then I'm filling in the skin sections with this sort of teal green color. I thought this would be a pretty color, but I ended up not liking the shade very much because it's very patchy. It's very hard to get this shade to cover very well. I've never used this shade before, so I didn't know it would work like this. I ended up having to go over this several times. Then I used some dark teal eyeshadow to sort of blend this into my hairline. Then for the eye makeup, I used dark teal to create a sort of smoky eye look. Then I use a light sparkly teal for the middle of the eye. For the teeth, I use white face paint. Then I use black for the mouth hollow shape. Then I use black face paint in between the teeth. Then I use that same teal shade for the in between the teeth and the top of the mouth. Then I fill in the back of the mouth area with black. Then I use some dark teal eyeshadow for the sort of gum shadowing. Then I fill in some of the gum areas inside of the mouth hollow. and use some dark teal eyeshadow for inside of the mouth. Then I use red on my neck and chest area to create more of the lines. Then I fill it in with the teal. Then with the teal mixed with a little bit of white, I highlight the areas around the stitch openings. Then I used some metal staples. These I found industrial staples that were larger and then cut them down to size. And then I'm adhering them with liquid latex. I used this same staple method with Beetlejuice's wife Dolores in a recent video if you'd like to see another way you could use these. And that completes this Frankenstein skull makeup look. I really like the idea of using a skull with a Frankenstein look. And to finish this look, I added a white contact lens to one side for a more creepy look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys again soon.